She crawled into the bottom of a bottle and found a warm, sticky spot to lay her big, fat head. Now she lives at platform 69 and lays everyone else's big, fat head instead. Subway Skank! Subway Skank! Woo! She's become the holy ho of Union Station. People leave her offerings of condoms, porn, and beer. Sleeping on the toilet bowl right next to favorite glory hole, waiting for the next poke in the rear. Subway Skank! Subway Skank!
Is the hooker messiah.
Subway Skank.
Her purse is made of maxi pads.
Subway Skank
Is waiting for you. Install